President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. issued a warning to anyone harboring or helping the suspects over anomalies in flood control projects. With regards to this issue, he reported that some individuals with warrants of arrest in connection with the said anomaly are now in the custody of authorities. Preslyn Catarong reports.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. provided an update regarding the arrest of individuals with warrants issued by the Sandigan Bayan related to anomalies in flood control projects. The mugshots of the primary suspects already apprehended have been released, while intensified operations continue to hold all responsible parties accountable. In a video message released on Monday morning, November 24, Marcos Jr. said that 7 of those with warrants of arrest linked to the flood control anomaly are now in the custody of authorities. Of that number, 1 accused was arrested by the National Bureau of Investigation, while 6 voluntarily surrendered to the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group. He added that 2 more suspects have expressed willingness to surrender, while 7 remain at large, including former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico. The president warned that anyone harboring or aiding the remaining suspects may also be held liable if they refuse to surrender those wanted by the law.
Yung isa pong nahuli ng NBI ay natagpuan doon hindi sa kanyang sariling tirahan. Kaya't mananagot din yung mga nagtatago sa kanila. At kaya't sinasabi natin, yung mga may balak na tulungan itong mga ito, ay ang pinakamalaking tulong na ibigay ninyo sa kanila ay mag-surrender na sila. At para makasagot na sila dito sa mga aligasyon na hinaharap nila.
Marcos Jr. emphasized that no special treatment is being given to those arrested and that they will remain in NBI custody while awaiting court orders. The president also called on the remaining accused to voluntarily surrender and face the allegations against them instead of waiting for authorities to track them down.
Muli, sa 3 warrant at 16 na pangalan, 7 na ang hawak ng ating otoridad. 2 susuko na. 7 ang mananatiling at large at kasama na dyan si Zaldico. Sa lahat ng natitirang akusado, ang aking payo sa inyo ay sumuko na kayo. Huwag nyo nang antayin na habul-habulin pa kayo.
Reporting for Newsline World, this has been Preslyn Catarong, SMNI News.